Efficient, reliable, and durable. This is our AGR B100 agriculture drone. Equipped with new self-developed AG6 flight control system, featuring IP67 level protection, fearless in wind and rain. The brand new powerful propulsion efficiently increases the payload to 50 kilograms, with the operating efficiency being enhanced again. B100 agriculture drone adopts a modular open frame design, making its structure simpler and more rigid. The vertical folding arms allow transfer freely, which are stable and durable. Pesticide tank with 50L payload, paired with a newly upgraded high-flow dual pump, achieves maximum flow rate of up to 24 min. The high-flow centrifugal spraying system, featuring centrifugal atomization with infinite control of 50500M, satisfies various operational requirements. The large 70L fertilizer tank, designed with supersized charging hole and an extra-large filter screen, can effortlessly deal with caking issues. Equipped with a centrifugal spreader, it can easily meet daily fertilization tasks. For high-precision weighing sensors, achieve real-time monitoring of granule and liquid weights, relies accurate use-up alerts and precise control of application rates per acre. Our brand new FPV tripod head camera, adjustable up to 90, provides a wider field of view. New generation high-bright remote control, doubled to a 20,000 mAh battery capacity, meets demands of high-intensity operation through the day. Ergonomic handle offers a new gripping experience. Self-developed operational statistics management APP allows for viewing job data statistics anytime and anywhere. AGR Operation APP achieves real-time monitoring of the drone status in the background. Overlay and statistics of operation trajectories achieve clear and concise results. Cloud-based plot batch management, intuitive and convenient, easily achieves batch management and transfer of plant protection drones. Real-time viewing and analysis of online logs, simple and convenient for analysis. Uploading of flight logs offline to cloud, precise localization of complex issues. Automatic saving and uploading of FPV video logs, making post-flight fault analysis more intuitive. Our new generation of RTK base station, with no need for pairing, is ready to use upon startup. Built-in for system full frequency measuring antenna, features strong anti-interference capacity and excellent electromagnetic compatibility. The brand new C9000 fuel generator features 98 rapid charging, efficient outdoor charging for continuous operations, convenient usage and doubling efficiency. Also, the C1890 smart charger satisfies the charging needs of AC/DC power supply, provides various flexible charging solutions, making everything precise, efficient, reliable, and durable. This is our new AGR B100 agriculture drone, born for heavy load agricultural industry.